Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can navigate with the gestures at the Google Pixel 7 and Google Pixel 7 Pro. So basically, if we are in an app or wherever or on the settings, if you want to go back to the home screen, just swipe up like this and you are back at the home screen. If you are somewhere deeper and you just want to go back one step, maybe you are here in the settings and so on, and you just want to go back one step, not completely to the home screen. Just swipe in from the left or the right, like this, and you are back just one step. If you want to have the recent tabs, so just swipe up, hold your finger a bit, leave it, and now you can change between the previously opened apps and so on. And also here, swipe up and we are back to the home screen. One more thing, if we have opened many apps and we just want to jump between them, we don't have to use always this thing here to open the recent tabs. No, we can also use here this little navigation bar. So just swipe it like this, and you have also made the other window you have recently used, and you can jump easily from one app to another like this. So pretty cool. If you say, hey, I want to have some more gestures, you can have them as well, because you can also enable here the Google Assistant if you don't have it here on the power button, or if you don't want to have it on the power button. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go down to the point System, and you will have the point Gestures, and you will find the point System Navigation. By the way, you can choose here also the navigation bar if you're a fan of it, but if you want to continue with the gestures, now you can go here on the wheel, on the settings, and you can enable now swipe to invoke assistant. That means whenever you swipe in from the corners right now, anyhow if it's the left one or the right one, you have the Google Assistant. Yeah, I hope, or just let's jump back like this. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe till next time. Ciao.